So we got this situation to handle. Let f defined from r minus 3 by 2 to r. Okay, f of x is this thing, f1 is f of x, and fn is this. Okay, and this is not pi, this is n greater than equal to 2, n is a natural number. Okay, then find sum of these two functions. Okay, so first let's check this thing. Who is this person? So if we will think about f2x, according to the definition we will be writing f and 2 minus 1 1, so it is f of x. Okay, if we will be writing f3x, we will be writing f of f2x. Who is f2x? f of f of f of x. Okay, so this is the idea for this question. So it is the example of composite function. So we got our f1 as this thing. So let's find out f of x. Okay, so what does this means? So this time I want to find out f2x, and it is f of x. Now look at this, means in place of x over here, in place of x I want to write f of x. So the moment you will find x, you have to replace it by f of x. So can I write 3 times f of x plus 5 by 2 times f of x minus 3. Now it's time to do the replacement of f of x. So who is f of x according to you? So it is 3, the whole thing is f of x, no? So replace it. So 3x plus 5 upon 2x minus 3 plus 5. Okay, now whenever you are handling something by something, no, you should always use the sign division, because this will reduce your chance of making mistake. Okay, this helps a lot. So 2 times 3x plus 5 upon 2x minus 3 and then minus of 3. Okay, let's do the simplification part. So if you simplify, you know that the both carrying denominator as 2x minus 3, so that will be neutralized. So let's do the simplification on the numerator. So it is 9x 15 plus 10x minus 15. Okay, so from numerator we got this. Now from denominator we will be getting 6x plus 10 minus 6x and then plus of 9. Let's do the simplification. So 15 and 15 gone, 6 and 6 gone. So we are left with 19x by 19. So we got f2x as x. Correct? So if we will find f3x, we have to replace x with f of x and then we will get f1x. Okay, so if we will write f3x, it is nothing but f of f2x. So in f2x you have to replace it by f of x. Okay, now can I replace this by this x by f of x? So this thing will become f of x, which means f1x, which means 3x plus 5 upon 2x minus 3. So what I feel is, if you are handling lower even subscript f of x, so again if you'll do f, you will get x only, because it would be cyclic. No, you got x, so you will get this. If you get this, right now you have manipulated to get x, so you will get this thing in chain. So f4 x, f6 x, and so on. f of 2nx will be x for sure, where n is an natural number. Whereas if the lower subscript is odd, means f1x, f3x, f5x, and f of 2n plus 1x. So in this case, you will be getting same thing, and the thing is 3x plus 5 upon 2x minus 3. Okay. Now, what do we want? We want f of lower subscript 2028, f of 2028. Okay, 28 it was. 2028x plus f of 2029, I think. No, it's not 28, it's 8. Same thing, doesn't really matter. But the question is that, so you have to do this only. Okay? Although answer will be the same. One number is even, one number is odd. So you know that if the lower subscript is even, answer we will have as x. If the lower subscript is odd, we will be having 3x plus 5 and 2x plus 2x minus 3. Let's do the simplification. So we will be having 2x square minus 3x plus 3x plus 5 upon 2x minus 3. So we will be getting 2x square plus 5 upon 2x minus 3. So after simplifying the question, we got this as the result. I hope you got the idea, you got the approach, and hopefully you guys can handle similar situations. Okay?